Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will teach you on how you can remove multiple accounts on TikTok. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Okay, so first things first, you want to open up your TikTok application right here, and once inside TikTok, you can just go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Now once inside your profile, you can then go ahead and see the profile that you are logged in into the TikTok application. And if you want to log out of multiple TikTok accounts, you can just go ahead and click on the three lines at the corner of your screen right here. Click on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, and inside we have the switch account option and we have logout. You want to click on switch account, and if you want to remove multiple accounts right here, you can just go ahead and click on that account, navigate through the profile icon, click on the three lines, settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, and you will be able to see the logout button. Now after confirming the logout button right here, you will be able to remove this account. Just go ahead and repeat the steps for the accounts that you have on your TikTok. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.